How's it going, you guys? So I'm back with another video. As you can see, I'm here with my buddy Lawson, and we're about to go actually head out to Oakland, California and do some work on an Audi R8. As you can probably see, I have this little towel hanging from the top of my roof because my Jeep is still leaking, and well, I took it to the dealership. Long story short, they said that they can't fix it and that they could replace the seal, but they don't guarantee anything because they have to cut the seal. They have to custom cut the seal, and so it could leave imperfections, and if it leaks, it's their fault. So it was basically a cop-out, which was awful. But anyways, we're headed to Oakland to do some free work, actually, on an Audi R8. We're going to be wrapping its gas cap, and we're going to be doing a blackout on its emblems. And yeah, this is the way I've been talking about in previous videos about doing free work, giving people value before you can start asking for stuff. So this is an example of us doing that and not just talking about it. So yeah, we're gonna cut to the next clip, and I hope you guys enjoy. We're on our way to Oakland, crossing the Bay Bridge, crossing the Bay Bridge, and yeah, we're on our way to work on this R8 V10 RWS, I believe, and I don't know the exact color of the R8 or like the name of the blue, but it's this really sick, very vibrant blue. So it's gonna be really cool to see in person, and I'm really excited because one of my favorite cars all time are the Huracan, the Lamborghini Huracan, and the R8 is infamous for having essentially the same engine as the Huracan, the V10, and sounding very similar in terms of just the tone of the engine and the exhaust and the backfires and stuff like that. So it's gonna be really cool to see, so I'm really excited. So yeah, we're almost there, and I'll try to show you guys as much as possible when we get there. So see you in a bit. Alright guys, so we just pulled up to the parking garage, and we met our new friend who has the R8. And so today we're going to be actually wrapping his gas cap, and we're going to be doing the emblems on the front and the back. So this is the R8 in maritime blue, and we're going to be, you have your front Audi logo in the front and the back, and we're going to be doing that in a gloss black as well as the gas cap. Alright guys, so the first step is we're going to go ahead and clean this as best as we can. As you can see, we're removing all the dust, any contaminants that can get under the vinyl, so that you don't get any bumps, you don't get any scratches, any lifting, nothing. So we're using a microfiber to make sure it's as clean as possible, and then from there we're going to go ahead and adhere the vinyl. And as you can see, on this cap specifically, we're going to run the vinyl all the way to the edge right here, and then we're going to trim it alongside this rubber paneling, so that it's a seamless finish, and it just looks like it comes OEM from the factory. Alright guys, so here we go. We went ahead and laid the vinyl, and we're pressing it down evenly and smoothly, so that we don't have any issues. And the key is to not try to rush into things. This is a very simple install, but it can really be messed up if you don't do it right. You can scratch the vinyl, you can scratch the car. So yeah, just honestly, just being very gentle and going very slow to make sure that it's evenly covered is going to be the trick. And already it's looking amazing. You can see right there the I don't know if you can see that. I'm trying to turn up the brightness, but so here, let me do a little walk around. The owner has asked not to be on film, which is completely understandable, but so this is a V10 R8 RWS, meaning rear wheel system. Series? Rear wheel series. Yeah. So I guess it's the rear wheel series, not system. Yes.
I know you were getting it wrong. I was ready.
You're ready for that, huh? There you go, guys. It's not the system, it's the series. In maritime blue, right?
101 R8 in the world.
101 R8 in the world. Beautiful car. Once we're done here, we'll be able to show you guys a little bit more of the inside, but yeah, this car is amazing. In terms of, so we just finished up the gas cap on it, and we're gonna get a cold start on this R8. Alright guys, so we just finished up wrapping the gas cap for the R8. Shout out to, I think his Instagram is DCarGuy. I'm going to check it out and I'm going to put it right here. But yeah, really cool dude, awesome supercar owner, and his R8 is insane. I mean, as you guys saw by those clips, it sounds insane and it just looks badass. So yeah, thank you so much. We actually are taking the emblems home because we didn't want to rush it, and we're kind of in a parking garage with no heat gun and not really the proper environment to be doing that kind of stuff. So we told them that we're going to take it back, we're going to do it right, and then we're going to send it back to them. So well, you guys saw the lid, so I'll see if I can put some clips of the finalized emblems, but look for more on our Instagram, which is going to be at the Custom Auto Lab, and let us know what you think. So I appreciate you guys checking us out, and I hope you enjoyed the video. So I'll see you guys soon.